A tray, a 5 set of 2 joint color ball, and we need to solve 2 pyramids. But there is a catch. No identical color touch. This will be an incorrect solution. First, let's tackle a classic pyramid where the trick is to find the right combinations of sets. We can start maybe like that. No, that will be already a mistake. Let's see. This can work. If I place this one, it's not good. Look, already not working. Switching of positions. Let's see. This will be working, and if I place the last set, is not working. Even if I switch the positions, we have yellow and yellow touching. So that is not good. So we need to find another way. Okay, like that. And this one. If I place this set, it's working, and the last set, it's working. That's the solution for the first pyramid. For the second pyramid, we need to place on the top a blue ball. If I did that, it's not working, red and red. I can try to maybe take this one, make a switch like that. Okay, that's will be not working. Okay, this like that will be working, but soon I'm going to place this one. I have yellow and yellow touching. No, that is not correct. You can try a lot of combinations and never going to find the right answer until you understand why there is a flat surface on the ball. Each one of them without exceptions. And that's the key to solve the pyramid. First, we don't need the tray, and we're going to start the pyramid like that. Blue ball on the top. Next, I'm going to place this set here. Followed by this one. And finally, the last 2 sets. And here we have the solution for the second pyramid. No identical color touch. Like you can see, even if I place the yellow, yellow touch green and green, blue and red, but the yellow does not touch these 2 yellow. One of a kind pyramid. I think a lot of you did not expect it at all, that solutions. If you love pyramid, feel free to check the 19 puzzle piece pyramid.